Freaking brutal! No mercy! Brutal!
Hey, I appreciate y'all pumping.
Yeah, man. We'll get your boat cleaned out here in a second.
There's a lot of water in there, y'all. I appreciate the help.
So me and Shane arrived here at the put-in, virtually 30 seconds apart, which was kind of weird. No way we could have done that if we tried. So we're waiting on Pete and Brian. Woo! Holy crap, it's River King Brian. Oh my God, look, look! Look who it is! What's up, my brother? How are you?
Good and doing well.
Hey, Brian, it's good to meet you.
Good to see you, Shane.
I figured I'd get a camera out. Like you always got the camera out, so I'd throw it back at you a little bit.
Well, here we are. No camera. No camera.
I know. I thought he would get out with
I thought
one.
you said no cameras.
I did.
Oh, the ball.
Bad to the bone. Bad to the bone.
I ain't going down yet. I've done a lot of camping in my life, but this was my first camping trip, overnighter, out of a kayak. Completely jacked up. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good 2 days. And we are off. We just launched in the Cape Fear at Buckhorn Dam, and we're gonna do an overnighter on our way to, I believe the takeout is called Irwin. I've never been on this river. So Pete Beck is guiding us, River King. And we got Brian River King in front of me and Shane Dublin with Monkeying Around. He's back behind me. We just launched looking for a big time, man. Big time. We are all just completely jacked up. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good 2 days.
So he said there's a secret shortcut over here, and we took it. And it's pretty cool. It keeps you out of the bony stuff.
We'll see what being nice that'll do.
That's right. You gotta be nice.
Shane, remember that.
Paddling with the YouTube A-listers today.
There's a bunch of deer crossing us right in front. And everybody's speeding up, and they're speeding up too. They don't want no part of this group. Yeah, I feel sorry for this little snake that Pete's trying to wrangle over there. It's a 6-inch water snake. However, when Pete does this video, it will be a 6-foot moccasin. Don't you do it. I know, I know what you're talking. I can see it through your glasses.
You don't like a snake? How do you like snakes, Shane?
They don't bother me. I'm not so.
I can see your eyes through your sunglasses.
So this is a northern banded water snake.
Just so everyone who watches this video knows, these mild-mannered looking guys, I mean, look, they look, just mild-mannered. Freaking brutal! Brutal! No holds barred. No mercy. right, Pete's up here scouting some rapids that we're getting ready to go through. So we're stopping, taking a little break and check out the rapids. I don't think they are as bad as we were anticipating. Pete's going through the jungle back there, so I'm afraid to go back there with him. I might walk up on him and his pants be down around his ankles.
It's just right.
For death, or?
It's not too long. I think y'all are gonna like it. It would be enough to get the pucker factor up a little bit, but I think everybody make it. There's a little rock that's gonna want to try to mess you up in the outflow.
So are you talking about going?
Yeah, you can walk right up to it if you want.
What do you think the line's going to be?
Right here. This is the line. You see it disappearing?
Right there with the flush, right?
Yes. Go right a little bit.
There you go.
Right there, we'll enter and kind of duck behind that rock, and it flows again. It's bigger than it looks from here, but it's not crazy big. Just right. It's a nice flume. You'll feel the volume, feel the power, and it just ramp your speed up probably about 8-10 miles an hour.
Okay.
And then you'll start going through the wave trains. The real technical line is on the right side. You go through a whole series of ledges, kind of picking your way. So if you came down here with your empty boat and wanted to practice, you just keep running it over and over.
So we're going to take a little jungle trek to get a better look at the river conditions. Being led by Sasquatch Pete Beck.
Come on out.
Yeah. It's pretty.
Yeah. We hopped, or you can walk this little ridge.
All right, so right there looks like the path we're going to take. Looks like about a 3-foot drop right there. And these guys are walking over to get a better look, but I ain't risking my knee, okay? I'm just going to go right out. That's awful slick, and I'm not going to risk my knee on that. Nope. Nope. I'm going to take it. Oh, I can see it.
So this line goes straight through here and just ride that flume right there. And right here is going to be tricky, and right there is going to be tricky.
All right, so we were back to go grab some lunch, and we found a camouflaged box right here in the woods. We have called the River King. Come up, open it up. Let's see what's in the cache. Here he comes. We said cache, and he couldn't stand it. Does it feel like something's in it?
There's something in it. Look at that. Oh, snap. They got some good stuff. Shovels. Big old pelican case.
Oh, God. Yeah, cooking supplies, camping stuff.
Man, yeah, they're doing it right. I had to check that one.
Yeah. Pelican.
That looked like,
Oh, yeah.
that might have been something else.
Any bags of crack?
No crack.
I'm going to keep
Some bag.
videotaping some crap right
Well, unfortunately.
That's the,
All right.
we're going to have to up our game a little bit.
Tell you what, someone has dropped off a cache of camping supplies and hit it. Hit it so good the River King himself walked past.
I was hoping y'all didn't see that. I saw it right off.
Yeah.
What you got for lunch, Steve?
I got all kind of stuff, mostly just junk food.
That's like a winner.
I'm whenever.
Steve, I think he's kind of, he says he's ready, but he's acting kind of funny. Sometimes you gotta get guys, you know, you gotta get their attention. Hey, all right, bud, let's talk.
All right, okay.
You're not freaking out too big. I know you're kind of looking sketchy.
I'm ready.
You ready? You sure you're ready?
I'm ready.
You looked me in the eye when I asked you. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
You sure you're ready?
Ready.
You better get ready.
I'm ready.
That's what the river's gonna do to
Which
you.
way's my kayak?
Now look, remember, take your time. Just drift into it.
Okay.
That way you can be able to put some corrective strokes if you need to, for left and right.
All right. Right here, I got stuck on that tricky rock they were talking about and had to do some scooching. It's getting late in the afternoon, and we are all just really hungry, and our mouths are watering for the barbecue sandwiches and banana pudding that Pete has promised us at our food stop just up the river. Cannot wait. That guy right behind me, right there, River King, Pete Beck, has promised all day long that we're going to get off the river here and have barbecue. That is unreal what the guy's doing on the bike. But anyway, back to the most important thing. He's been promising all day barbecue. We get here and they're closed. So, Cape Fear River Adventures, they are going to shuttle me and Pete up to the Hardee's where we can get a burger, and we're going to come back down here and eat a burger on the river with Brian and Shane. So we're going to run get some food.
So we are here with Lillington's Best and Cape Fear River Adventure Zone, Caleb, world famous, and he is saving our restaurant event here. He's going to run us up to Hardee's, and so we owe him our life.
We're back on the water. We just we grabbed the burger in Lillington, and we just ate our burger. So now we got to find a camping spot. And it's raining on it. So I'm hoping the rain won't last long. So we ended up finding a really nice camping spot for the night, and this is also where I start to miss some of my camera footage, but we'll get into the reason for that later in this video. This is Shane birthing himself from a great night's sleep. We woke up to an absolutely perfect morning on the Cape Fear River.
Yeah, it's a fantastic little campsite. Doesn't have the most firewood. I'm sure we could find some, but we didn't need a fire, so it's kind of a moot point. Just perfect.
Here's Pete helping us through the lines on some of these rapids.
All right, you're good. Woo! Nice.
That was fun. I got a little wet on it. I did too. All right, we just stopped here. This is one of Pete and Brian's favorite spots to take a break, cool off, maybe grab a little bite to eat. And he said had a lot of special meaning to him. He pointed out that this is actually an old ancient Cherokee burial ground. Pretty amazing. Pete, how did you, I mean, how long have you known about this spot?
Well, on all my river travels, you start picking up on things and, you know, just researching, getting right into the history of the area you're in is important. And this was really well traversed area for the Native Americans, especially the Cherokee tribe. So
I'm telling you what, the Cherokee tribe, is this a particular branch like the Babcock, Havertys?
You know, I'm not 100% sure on that. I know when they would put a chair like this on the river right side of the bank, that meant there's good rapids ahead, and this was a good place to take a break. So just got to have your eyes open to what's out there.
Should we even disclose the location?
Oh no, it's that would be
all right.
kind of
So
taboo,
all right. So I've been banned.
If your eyes are open, you'll see it.
I cannot put this on the video.
Yeah.
All right, the IKEA tribe. It could be part of the IKEA tribe, the Cherokee.
Yep.
Amazing. And you know what? This skit has gone on a lot longer than I planned. Oh my God. Oh, I gotta get video of that. No, you gotta do it again. You gotta do that again. Yes. Oh my God. All right, mine will be accident.
You gotta cool off sometimes.
Do it. Woo-hoo-hoo! Damn. Wow.
Yeah, baby.
I saw it.
Yeah. You were G.I. Joeing.
I saw it.
That's when you would introduce a little bit of boat speed to actually go that direction. Because you pointed that way,
Yeah.
but you just kept sailing straight because of the keel. Like you went, the rocks
Yeah.
here, you're like,
Yeah, here it was coming and I was trying.
So that's why you don't paddle, so that when you do point, a couple strokes and you actually go.
Woo-hoo-hoo! That was fun.
Light the fuse and run now, brother, 'cause you ain't got a lot of time. Don't you act surprised when it all goes to hell on your dime. Maybe you can stand tall enough to look the devil eye to eye. But you better make your getaway quick so you don't have to answer why. The bells will ring and the flames will fly. 2,000 years of fury in the big black sky. The wind will blow and the rain will fall. Are we waiting for the thunder? Or will the lightning get us all? Waiting for the
So here's Pete leading the way through Smiley's Falls. There was a lot of water running through here.
Couldn't quite do it.
It's being followed by Shane. Here he comes, like a pro. Pete's just surfing right there, checking us, making sure we get through okay. Here I come. And might I say, I'm feeling a little bit cocky right here.
Baby, yeah!
I was feeling so cocky, I thought I'd go back up and do a little surfing myself. You're getting ready to find out why I lost some camera footage.
That's the lean downstream part. Swimmer! How are you? Good?
Yeah, I'm good. I tried to lean the other way
Let's flip it quick before your camera catches. We had a most unfortunate occurrence, as you just saw on the footage. Steve met the beast. And while he's fine, the beast kept his camera. And he's really wanting the footage. You see him. We probably spent at least 30 minutes here. We have mentioned the tether a few times during the trip from the onset. You know, if you have a small piece of rope, the river likes to take cameras. Isn't that right, Shane?
Yeah, it's got one or two of mine.
Got 1 or 2 of yours. Woo! You learn your lesson sometimes the hard way, and I think Steve is learning a hard lesson about tethering your camera.
So I did manage to flip the kayak one more time. And remember what I said about these guys being brutal?
Yeah, man. We'll get your boat cleaned out here in a second.
There's a lot of water in there, y'all. I appreciate the help.
I wouldn't do like that, brother.
All right, we're coming to the end of our paddle. It's been an awesome journey. We're gonna take out here at Irwin off the Cape Fear River. It has been an absolute fantastic adventure, and we are heading to the barbecue restaurant that we were denied yesterday. It was closed, so we're gonna go up and see if we can grab some barbecue. It was here at the barbecue restaurant that I made a special request of Pete. He's got this super corny joke that he likes to play on people, so I asked him to play the joke on Edgar, our waiter.
Yeah, we were trying to find on the news. Did you see where the actress that got stabbed, if she lived or not?
I have no idea.
Perky blonde chick, Reese something.
Like Witherspoon? Reese?
No, it was with a knife.
Oh, no, I was... Witherspoon? That's what I was thinking. Reese.
No, with a knife.
I don't think... I fall into a joke.
Hey, before this video is over, wanted to make sure and tell you to check the description for links to the other videos of this adventure by the River Kings and Shane. Okay, y'all, this awesome River King adventure on the Cape Fear is over.
With the broke knee boys.
Yep, me and Shane are the broke knee boys, and they're the River Kings. Want to thank them, everybody, for inviting me. We had an awesome time. Woo! Woo! It was a definite woo moment out there. So
They had some woo moments and some woo.
Yeah, we'll show that later on the video.
Probably you've already shown it.
You're gonna... Okay.
Have you already shown it?
I think we'll all have videos, but that one right there, he's going to have some special footage of me.
Oh yeah, I got it in tight there.
Yeah. It's
Lean
gonna be,
left.
It's going to be a little embarrassing, but anyway.
Oh, no, it's all good.
Thanks, y'all. I appreciate.
Hey, thanks for going.
the
We had a
invite.
great time.
Yeah.
All right. Check y'all later.
Right on.